Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about Indian Constitution. I chose the article official languages, that is 343 to 351. And by that I mean the official language Hindi. The official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. And the form of numerals for the official purpose of the Union shall be international form of the Indian numerals. And also for a period of 15 years, yes, for the period of 15 years from the consistent that was made of the Indian Constitution, the English language shall continue to be used for the official purposes of the Union, provided that the President may, during the said period, order 1, which states that the use of Hindi language in addition to the English language, on demand being made in the behalf of the president, if he is satisfied that the substantial proportion of a population desire to use any one language that is spoken by them and to be recognized by that state, direct that such language shall also be officially recognized throughout the state and any part of the state that is purposely supported. Language of Supreme Court and High Courts, that we are going on now. All proceedings in the Supreme Court and in every High Court, official language or communication between one state and another state of the Union is Hindi. Special provision relating to the language spoken by a section of population of a state. Also, language to be used in Supreme Court and in High Court and for acts, bills, and etc. So, during the period of 15 years from the commencement of this constitution, no bill or an amendment making provision for the language to be used for any purposes mentioned in this clause of Article 348 shall be introduced or moved in either House of Parliament without the previous sanction of the President. And yes, this is where I end the explanation. Thank you so much, and I hope you liked it.